Franca, and you are welcome to Dr. Franca Show. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all our numerous viewers who view me on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and of course on my website, www.drfranca.com. Thank you so much. Please keep your comments coming. It means a whole lot to me. I'm very excited in the topic I'm going to talk today, and it is financial harmony in marriages or relationship. Financial harmony means that the couple have agreed to agree. They've agreed to understand how to talk about money in their relationship. They've agreed that money must not cause problems for them. We do believe that a lot of people in relationships have most problems when it comes to money, and it shouldn't be so. So those people who have financial harmony have mastered how to be successful in their marriage in regards to money. So I'll give you different scenarios that we have in marriages when it concerns money. Scenario one, the man is working, the woman is not working. And the man earns the money and gives the whole package to the woman to spend as she deems fit. That is to say, the woman will be in charge of supervising the housing project or any kind of thing they're doing as a couple, because the man is busy working and he works hard for them. Or in the same type of scenario, the man works, earns the money, gives the woman pocket money or feeding money or housekeeping allowance or whatever term you want to call it. It is still very good, but the couple involved know what they are into. They know that the man works, the woman doesn't work. Scenario two, the woman works, the man doesn't work. And this scenario, in some cases you wouldn't know that the man is not working. The woman earns the money and gives the whole package to the man to spend as he deems fit. And most people will never know that the man is not working, because the woman has given the man the whole purse to spend as he deems fit. And the man still takes all the decision in this home, and they're happy about it. Or in the same scenario, the man earns the money, gives the man pocket money or feeding money or whoever, or whatever that the man can use to spend. Another scenario that we all know about that most people find themselves into, the man is working, the woman is working. That's scenario C, where most people are working. Husband and wife are working in this relationship. So the next scenario is scenario C, where the man is working and the woman is working. And this particular scenario, we do believe, is the one that causes the most friction in homes, because both man and woman are working, and most of them tend to hang on to their money for those who do not understand financial harmony. But for the couples who understand financial harmony, this is the best scenario, whereby the man is working and the woman is working. They have the capacity to be able to do a lot in their homes. When couples are having financial harmony, it shows, because they're on the same page, and they're able to have validation, they're able to have power, they're able to have trust, they're able to achieve more in their homes. So I urge you to have financial harmony in your home. Whatever scenario you find yourself, that is not the issue. The issue here is whatever financial situation you find yourself, that you agree with your partner on how you can utilize that money to be of value to the home. I hope I've been able to help you. Thanks, till next time.